Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Ring of Lightning in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. Feel free to pause the video and line it up like this. Adjust the zoom of your map to be this large. Now pay attention to the three-letter N that it crosses. Once you're here, you should see this gravestone at the bottom. Jump down to that gravestone and hit it with a force palm. Make your way in this secret door. Now look at these buttons like numbers and follow along. The solution is 1, 7, then 3. This is a unique item with a special skill that casts lightning. To do this, equip the ring from the equipment wheel. Then open the function wheel, hover to this area and use your scroll wheel. However, this skill also has a strict condition. You need to be standing in the rain for at least 2 minutes to use the skill. Once this meter fills up, use B on your keyboard to deal lightning damage to nearby enemies. It's a strong ability when it meets the condition but useless when there's no rain. And that is how to get the Ring of Lightning in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.